Human circulatory system. All the living organisms need nutrients, gases, liquids for their growth and maintenance of the body. We eat various substances. Our body cells need these all things. A specialized system that is reaches all nutrients, liquids and gases to each and every cell in our body. The system is circulatory system. Circulatory system includes heart, blood vessels and blood capillaries. Heart. Heart is located at thoracic cavity. It is protected by rib cage. The heart is covered by two layers of membranes. These membranes are called pericardial membranes. The space between these two layers is filled with pericardial fluid, which protects the heart. Heart divided into four chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium and left ventricle. Auricles and ventricles are separated by atrioventricular septum. Atria are separated from each other by interatrial septum and ventricles separated by interventricular septum. The inner space of the left atrium and ventricle are smaller when compared to the right atrium and right ventricle. Atria open into ventricles through valves. The valve between right atrium and right ventricle is called tricuspid valve. The valve between left atrium and left ventricle is called bicuspid valve or mitral valve. The valve present at pulmonary aorta are called pulmonary valve or semilunar valve. The valve present at systemic aorta are called systemic valve. Blood vessels. Blood flows in blood vessels. There are two types of blood vessels called arteries and veins. Arteries. The rigid vessels are called arteries, which originate from the heart and supplies blood to various organs in the body. The large artery is aorta and the smaller artery is pulmonary artery. Arteries carry oxygenated blood, but pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood. Valves are absent in arteries. The wall of artery are thick. Blood passes through arteries in high pressure. Veins. Veins carry blood from body organs to heart. The vein which collects blood from head and neck of the body is called superior vena cava, and the vein which collects blood from hand and legs of the body is called inferior vena cava. All veins contain deoxygenated blood, but pulmonary vein carry oxygenated blood. The valves that are present in the veins to stop the reverse flow of the blood. Blood flow in low pressure in veins. Veins has thin wall. Blood capillaries are the microscopic vessels made up of single layer of cells. They establish continuity between arteries and veins. They allow various substances through diffusion.